Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create Airwallex account. All right, so let's begin with the video. To create an Airwallex account, start by opening your browser and searching for the official Airwallex website. Once you're on the site, first accept cookies, then you'll be asked to enter your email address. After that, click on the Get Started button to begin the sign-up process. After that, Airwallex will guide you through a few quick questions about your business, such as company size, expected transaction volume, and how you plan to use the platform. Just select the options that best match your situation and continue. Next, you'll need to fill in your personal and business details. This includes your legal first and last name, a secure password. On the next page, it will ask for your business name. Then, you'll also be asked to choose your business location and enter a phone number. Once everything is filled out, agree to the terms and conditions and click Create Account. After submitting your details, Airwallex will send a verification code to your phone via SMS. Enter this code to confirm your number. Once both verifications are complete, your account will be successfully created and ready to use. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create Airwallex account. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.